Why did you now disappoint me now? You told me to me. I went and cooked. I cooked and 3 different dishes for you. You just pour me for granted. Me, I know they lie. I don't like this kind of thing, honestly. I don't like it.
Baby, say no more.
Okay.
At the office, the hustle, they count the door in bulk. So that this our wedding will be grand style. I won't give you wedding where be say when people hear them go say, "Che, Jamaican wedding."
Okay.
Just the video and Chioma own. Oh sure, I'm gonna do this wedding.
Oh my God.
How many million dollars?
Oh my God. Papa Chukwudi, I hear you there.
Hey! Child!
Oh, Papa Chukwudi, you don't know. Hey, you don't marry. Can I tell you? Papa Chukwudi, now go day for her, they wait for you. Hey, never money, you never pay. Toilet money, you never pay. See your 7 children, they there, they cry, they wait for you. They want shop. You sit down here, they promise her everything. Papa Chukwudi, Papa Chukwudi.